harvest this plant. Acadian platoon has taken up position near an abandoned Imperial fortress. Their weapons will lead the counterattack. The Acadian commander can brief you on the fortress's current status.
Acadians died in bravery. If we fell that unholy abomination, then we give that death purpose.
The fortress's Icarus las cannons are strong enough to bring down that beast, and the towers. Even with your aid, we do not have the forces to penetrate the main gate. You will need another way in.
Then we shall find one.
This path will lead you into the jungle and towards the fortress. May the Emperor grant you success.
We need to proceed. Captain Acker, if we gain access to the fortress's cannons, we should be able to defeat the Hierophant.
The front gate is inaccessible, so you must enter from below. Fortress schematics show a waste reclamation center. Travel beneath the Tyrannid and up into the fortress.
If we are to cleanse the planet of Tyrannid filth, we will have to tolerate filth of a different kind.
This place crawls with Xenos abominations.
The Xenos infestation is stemmed even now. Follow in the footsteps of Gilliman. Who needs stims?
Take what have we here? Grenades.
War is our purpose. You lack fervor, brother.
Your point?
What stirs your passion if not combat? Your heart is cold and still as stone. Please my head.
Wrath shall reign.
Let steel reign! That pitiless Xenos was but your horror. I shall suffer your poor aim for only so long. The waste reclamation entrance is directly ahead of us, Captain Ackerman.
Good. The hive ships are moving into range of the capillary towers. We are in Kadaku's final hours.
Only one way in. A choke point. We should...
Medical cache, on me.
Strike down the sword!
Ready for next... The machine.
We're unable to leave this room until all of the consoles are awake. Xenos!
Attention, Minister.
The Tyranid infestation is spreading human shoots. We must remove it from us.
Should prove these files.
The Tyranid infestation will grow.
Biological no longer detected. System accessible. Resume communion with the console. Operation. Connection to core control.
My war gear is set.
Sharing the divine blessings of the Praise the Omnissiah. System restoration complete. Ground controls reset.
Our journey leads elsewhere. Let us open the door and leave.
Avenging angel. Exposed.
entering the sanctuary of the fortress, Captain Aqua.
Head up to the cannons and remind the Xenos of whom they dare to attack.
Iron Halo ready.
Deploying grenade!
With medical resupply encouraged.
The Imperium Hammer rises to strike! I am the righteous storm incentive! Restore my army, cannon fire! The Xenos have unleashed their colossus! Take flight and let terror fall!
This lift is our way to the cannons.
We purge the galaxy of all that festers. Faith without deeds is worthless.
The Tyranids seem to know you're close. They are amassing at the fortress.
They will come at us from all sides, and we will meet them. Munitions here.
Stim injectors here.
Be mindful of not just its size, but its weapons, brothers.
End that one's pitiful life before its cries for reinforcements are heeded. Glory to the Imperium! Me as an angel of death, I am ever...
You are near the last cannons. You will need to find the manual controls to operate them.
The console is near. We will unleash the cannon's divine wrath on the Hierophant.
Iron Halo.
Now where's the shroud of death?
It spews its vileness towards us. A pure shot. We must not get close to its blood.
Its cannons depleted. Engage auxiliary generators to...
Xenos' hunger is insatiable, but the Imperium's indomitable.
Generator active. Cannons ready.
Fortress control and system link has been established.
Stay back from the Xenos' carrier.
Wrath shall reign.
See how the filth suffers but spews its vileness towards us. Do not let yourself be sullied by this pure shot. This is how we burn away perfection.
Avenging angel at your disposal.
The abomination targets us. Our foe nears death. We must not get close. Energize the las cannons and rain fire down on these foul creatures.